Welcome back to my channel. Today, we have something truly special to talk about: the UK 1961 shilling coin. We'll be diving into its historical significance, its value in today's market. Let's get started. To truly appreciate the value and heritage of the UK 1961 shilling coin, we need to start with a bit of history. The 1 shilling coin was a part of the pre-decimal currency system in the United Kingdom. It was minted from 1953 to 1966 and holds a special place in British numismatic history. Now, let's talk about the value of the 1961 shilling coin in today's numismatic market. To do that, I'll be checking some reputable online sources and recent auction results. I found that the value of the 1961 shilling coin can vary depending on its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. On average, a well-preserved coin from this year can fetch anywhere from $40,000 to £50,000 or even more. The UK 1961 shilling coin, a symbol of British history and a valuable collectible. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your journey, coins like these offer a unique window into the past and can be a rewarding investment.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe,